Welcome guys. This is Galaxy A032f model. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove back cover of the phone. Remove screws from the main board protection cover. Remove protection cover. Disconnect battery connector and LCD display flex connectors from the main board. Keep phone on heat machine. Do not overheat to battery. Lithium is inside the battery, battery can be blast. Remove battery with X-ray. Install new battery in the body. Connect battery connector and LCD display flex connector to the main board. Install protection cover on the main board. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.